Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can pair Sharp speaker with any MacBook. So first of all, we have to power on our speaker by using this power button. Click on it once. Wait until indicator turns on.
Bluetooth.
Right now it's in the pairing mode, so put it close to your MacBook and smoothly go for the system settings. Right now you have to go for the Bluetooth, turn it on with the switcher, and take a look for the nearby devices. We can find our Sharp GX-BT60, so click on the connect button.
Connected.
And we are successfully connected. Right now I can recommend you to go for the sound settings and be sure that the output device is switched to our speaker, but as you can see, unfortunately we cannot find it right here. It doesn't appear, so it looks like we will be not able to use our speaker. So I can recommend you to first of all just close the settings and open it one more time. Go for the sound settings right now, go for the output, and still we cannot find our device, so I can recommend you to go for the sound, unpair the speaker, and simply restart the Bluetooth settings.
Disconnected.
And right now, just simply try to pair it another time, so power off speaker and power on back. That's some kind of the connection issue.
Bluetooth.
I believe that we can fix that. That's our speaker, so click connect.
Connected.
Let's go for the sound right now, and as you can see right here, we can finally find our speaker. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.